Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to check Windows 11 edition. There are a few methods that I will use in this video and a few commands that you can copy from this video description. So let me start. First one is Win version. For that you need to press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open the Run dialog box, and here type Win ver. Then click on OK button or press Enter on the keyboard to open About Windows dialog. Here you can see Windows version, Windows edition including version. Next one is MS Info 32 command. For that press Windows and R key on the keyboard to open Run dialog box, and here type MS Info 32 and then click on OK button or press Enter on the keyboard to open System Information window. Here select System Summary in the left, and on the right you can see OS name as Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. This is edition, and you can also see version here. Next one is you can use command prompt also to find the Windows 11 edition. For that click on the Start button and type CMD, and in the search click on command prompt entry to open command prompt on your PC. Here type system info and press enter key on the keyboard. On the top you can see OS name and OS version. You can use the same command on PowerShell also to find Windows edition. For that click on the Start button and type here PowerShell. Then click on PowerShell entry to open it. Here type system info and press enter on the keyboard. This will also load same details as you have seen in command prompt. You can see here OS name and OS version. That's it. You can use last method, that is Settings app. Through Settings app also you can view or see Windows 11 edition. For that right click on the Start button and select here Settings. You can also use Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open Settings. Here on the Settings window select System in the left. On the right scroll down and click on About. Here under Windows specifications you can see your Windows edition including version, install date, OS build. That's it. This was 4 methods to view Windows 11 edition. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of tutorials are waiting for you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.